New Year's Day, I had a young man that needed some community service hours, so we spent 2 hours down here cleaning out a drainage ditch. We got a whole truckload of leaves that I'm going to take to my compost pile. And we got, I don't know, about 3/4 of the way down this drainage ditch. The water's flowing much better now until we get right down here. So let's go down here and see what we need to do. Flowing really well. Look at it, it's all super clean. A little bit of a slowdown right here. Right here. Looks like it's just completely full. Mud, silt, things like that. Flowing really well. This spot right here was really deep. It looks like we have a little bit of a problem right there. The ground's really soft here. So we got all the way down. There's a little bridge right there made out of some concrete. So we cleaned out down to here. Right down to here is where we got. So we still need to get this area. I just wanted to see how it was flowing. Yeah, this thing's cleaned out right here. Oh, gosh, there we go. Get that done. Yeah. And then this. And then you can see Crooked Creek is rolling today. Had a lot of rain. I would say we're probably about 2 inches of rain here in less than 24 hours. So if anybody needs any community service work, I'd be more than happy to have you down here. If anybody just wants to volunteer at the cemetery, we'd really appreciate the volunteers. It's all outside work. Not really sure how much work we can get done